Now for number 3, where you collect data, it says click on the Space tab and drag the person to the equator, which is latitude 0 degrees. Select the Earth tab and fill in the data table for this location. So let's go back to the Gizmo, and we're clicking on the Space tab. There's the Space tab, and then you are now dragging the person to the equator. So let's drag the person to the equator, and it's going to show you that on the equator the current latitude is 0 degrees. You're at 0 degrees, right? And then click on the Earth tab, and then you can now gather data, collect data for the rays on the panel, the temperature, the daylight hours, and the sun ray angle. So if you count how many rays are hitting the panel for June 21st on the equator, 0 degrees, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's for June 21st. And then for December 21st, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're both 8 rays on the panel. For temperature, here's the temperature for June 21st, 31 degrees Celsius. And here's the temperature for December 21st, 31 degrees Celsius. And then for daylight hours, here's the number of daylight hours for June 21st. And here's the number of daylight hours for December 21st. And then for sun ray angle, let's use the protractor, and we're going to measure one of the rays, measuring how many degrees it is from 0. So you can use this one. There you go. And you can see that here's the rays. It is 67 degrees. Because it's 0, here's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then this is 70. So in between that, it's about 65, so it's 67 degrees here. And let's move on to the other side where it's December 21st. Make sure that the arrow is pointing to the top of the T, and you're measuring it again. Here's the 0 now, and you're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and this is 70, and this is 65, and there's the arrow. It's going to be 67 degrees as well.